Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with bright white buttercream and use concentrated gel color for best saturation. I recommend American-style buttercream or shortening-based icing because they start very white. Cream cheese will tint slightly ivory. Begin by adding 1/4 teaspoon concentrated navy gel to 1 cup icing and mix thoroughly, then evaluate under natural light. Use small increments. Navy is easier to deepen than to lighten, so add color slowly. Always mix fully between additions to see true color and avoid overworking. Mix the gel into icing with a stiff spatula for 60 to 90 seconds to reveal true color. Brief mixing leaves streaks and weak tones. If you need to deepen, add black gel in 1 to 2 drop increments per cup to deepen without making the color muddy, mixing thoroughly after each drop. For richer navy, let the colored icing rest 20 to 30 minutes to oxidize and reach final navy shade before judging or piping. If the blue goes teal or looks too bright, slightly shift toward navy by adding 1/4 teaspoon violet or a touch of black gel, testing each addition. To desaturate muddy blue, add 1 tablespoon Dutch process cocoa per cup to warm the tone and reduce brilliance without altering texture much. Store navy icing airtight in refrigerator up to 48 hours. Bring to room temperature and remix before use. If icing becomes too dark, lighten with unfrosted white icing in 1/4 cup increments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.